Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can pick up topics from Google Sheets and use Google Gemini AI to generate the SEO blog titles and then save it back in a Google Sheet. Now, the very first thing you need to notice is that my trigger is schedule trigger, right? So my trigger is schedule trigger, meaning that it will run every single day by the time I give to it, which is midnight, right? You can make your choice. It is your choice to decide. So I went to my Google spreadsheet and then I created a spreadsheet called AI generated content, right? And in there I have sheet 1 and sheet 2. So my sheet is sheet 2, where I save whatever it is I want to save. And if you come down here, these ones I didn't add anything, right? So I am literally getting, you can see my operation here is get through. I'm getting from AI generated content spreadsheet, and the sheet should be sheet 2, right? So I'm telling you to go in there and fetch me everything in there. And before I do this, I created a Google spreadsheet, and the column was just title only. Title, remember that. And after doing that, I come back to fetch it from here. Then now I am going to be passing that title to Google Gemini, right? When you say message a model, it means generate a text, right? So my Google Gemini, you sign in, your resource and operation is already selected, which is message a model. I told you the model I use every time is 2.5 flash. And of course, you can see my prompt, what I'm telling it to do for me with that title I'm giving to you. Sorry, with the topic I'm giving to you. So I'm not saying you are an SEO expert. Generate 5 SEO optimized blog title ideas for the topic. The topic is, look at the topic here. You can see how I drag it in here, right? And then I answered return only a JSON array of 5 strings. So it's going to be generating 5 SEO blog titles with that one topic, right? So that is my prompt. So if you want to use my prompt, of course, you can pause this video, write it down, or you can use ChatGPT to give you a proper prompt. If you don't like mine, but I think mine is okay. Now, after this, close this up, open up your Google spreadsheet. Now you have generated it, right? Open up your Google spreadsheet and look for that AI generated content sheet 2. By this time, you have gone back to your Google spreadsheet and you have done what? You have added maybe topic, which is what you are going to be generating later, or title, and then maybe you have added spreadsheet as well. Sectors as well as an extra column, right? So now when you select your spreadsheet, your operation will be update row. You select your spreadsheet name, the sheet name, and then map your columns. The row number is always showing here, right? So that's how I was able to drag my row number and then I use it here, right? So this row number means, you can see where I said column on match. Whenever you are trying to update, which is update row, you have to use a column. So the n8n knows the actual column to update the sectors or to update the topic, right? So this is it. And then the topic, of course, I'm putting nothing there. The title, I'm putting exactly what was generated from the Gemini AI, and the status, I put it as done manually. And just by doing this, you have successfully done what? You have successfully generated a SEO blog titles from your Google Sheet and also updated it back to your Google Sheet, telling it that it is done, right? So guys, thank you very much for watching this video to the end. If you have questions, please drop it in the comment section and help us to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.